Hello, my name is Ruben Espinoza, Principal Attorney at Espinoza Law Group. We represent injured workers throughout Southern California. And today, we'll be addressing a common client question: what's next in my case?
That's a fair question. Workers' compensation cases can take months and sometimes years to resolve.
During that time, your case may see medical appointments, insurance investigations, depositions, hearings, settlement discussions, and court appearances.
For someone who has never been through the process before, it can feel confusing. That's why we've created this video series.
Our goal is to help you understand the major stages of a workers' compensation case and what you can generally expect as your case moves forward.
Before we begin, I want to make 3 important points. First, this video is intended for educational purposes only. It is not legal advice.
Every case is different. Factors like your injury, employer, and insurance company affect how your case develops.
Second, not every case follows the exact same path. Think of this series as a roadmap.
Most cases travel a similar route, but sometimes there are detours, roadblocks, shortcuts, or alternate routes.
Some cases move quickly, some slowly, some settle early, others require extensive litigation. Third, and perhaps most importantly, you can choose to take a settlement off-ramp at many different points during your case.
Imagine you're driving toward a destination. Along the way, you may encounter exits where the insurance company offers to settle.
You may decide that accepting that offer makes sense, or that continuing down the road is the better choice.
Now, let's talk about the roadmap itself. Generally speaking, workers' compensation cases move through 4 major stages. 1. Claim investigation. 2. Medical discovery. 3. Post-MMI negotiation or litigation. And 4. Case resolution.
Stage 1 is the claim investigation stage. This usually covers the first 90 days after the claim is reported.
During this stage, the insurance company investigates the claim and decides whether it will accept or deny responsibility.
Stage 2 is medical discovery, which can occur on 2 possible paths or stages. The first path is the claim accepted stage.
This occurs when the insurance company agrees that your injury was work-related and admits it has a legal obligation to provide benefits.
Accepting a claim does not necessarily mean there are no disagreements left in the case, however.
The insurance may acknowledge you were injured, but disagree about what benefits you should receive, like specific treatments or disability payments.
In other words, acceptance of a claim often marks the end of one dispute, but the beginning of others.
The second path is the claim denied stage. This occurs when the insurance company refuses to provide some or all benefits.
If your claim is denied, additional litigation may be necessary to determine whether you are entitled to benefits.
Eventually, unless the parties settle, both paths should lead toward the same destination: obtaining a complete medical picture of your injury. But if there are threshold legal issues present in your case, like whether you are an employee or independent contractor, these must be dealt with before medical opinions are finalized.
In workers' compensation, doctors play a critical role, gathering information about your condition and treatment needs.
Eventually, a doctor may determine that your condition has stabilized. This is called maximum medical improvement, or MMI. Once MMI is reached, we enter stage 3, post-MMI litigation and resolution, where parties may attempt to settle.
If they cannot agree, a judge may resolve the disputes. But a judge's role is not about fairness in a general sense.
A workers' compensation judge primarily determines what benefits are owed under California workers' compensation law.
The judge can decide issues like whether an injury arose out of employment, or whether medical treatment should be provided. They also decide on temporary and permanent disability benefits and other specific workers' compensation awards.
Because that topic deserves its own discussion, we've created a separate video explaining the types of benefits available. Remember, these videos are for general understanding only and are not a substitute for legal advice for your specific case. If you have questions about your individual claim, please contact our office. We're here to guide you through the process.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video where we'll discuss stage 1, the claim investigation stage.